shit. Anyways, that's what I love shorty. Ooh, hey, what's up, shorty? He already started working. It's crazy.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
It's an extension to yesterday's video, man. Came back to AutoZone. I got some other parts. I'll show you in a second, but I got this mask on. Because AutoZone will require you to walk in without a mask. It is what it is, man. Gotta get over this shit somehow. But, so look, got some parts, man. Got some parts. So, I went to change the 5W30 high mileage, you know, I'm into the regular. I got me a fuel injection cleaner real quick, AC Delco, oil filter, and then I bought these, man. This is something new that I've recently started to like. So AutoZone always had like regular Duralast parts, and then I ended up buying the best ones for a truck the other day, and they come with this little end piece. Instead of it being a bolt, it's stuck into the washer. And I feel like it's so much better. It's definitely a better ride, definitely a better install. So I definitely recommend those. But I'll see you back on the block. I'm about to put one of these in the tank right now, and I'll finish off the Chevy. Put the one in the Chevy and put one in one in this truck right now, matter of fact. And have a nice full cleaning. So I want to save this top so I can read it to y'all in a second. But it's pretty simple, man. You're gonna do is put it in your gas tank. Make sure it has a seal, you know, pop the seal. And just pour it in. Pour it in. And it's very important, do it once a month. Do it every oil change. It cleans the inside of the system. I'm gonna read everything in a second, but it's fast, guys. Normally it's fast, but I guess the hole wasn't big enough on this one. So yeah, AutoZone be having these on sale. So anyways, it was $8 each, but Chevron, Techron, right? $8 each, but you basically buy one, get one free, and $1 rewards. So after that, it's pretty much done. You know, make sure everything gets out, make sure the air comes out of the tank real quick, or the excess. All right, I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna start it up. Simple. All right, so, oh, dropped it. Anyways. Treats up to 12 gallons, deep cleans in one tank full, right? So whether you have a car 3,000 miles, 300,000 miles, complete system fuel, whatever, maximizes fuel economy, restores horsepower, restores rough idling, which is what I got right now, prevents spark plug fouling, and protects against corrosion. I don't know what fouling is, but hopefully that's not what's happening. But anyway, I have a rough idle. I think my injectors are maybe clogged, so we bought one of these to check it out. Then simply turn the car on and let it run for a little bit. Let it run for a little bit because the fluid is still not in the tank yet. It's gonna take a while for it to get there as you drive, but I'm gonna let it run right now just so it could throw oil or fluid into the engine and then recirculate. But right now, no rough idle. Normally happens at a red light, so hopefully this will fix the problem temporarily, I guess, for now, and then we'll just figure out the full problem in a little while. Or it could be just the injectors need to get changed. You never know. Oh, my door's still open? Nope, back door's still open. Something open. So we're here. Another thing, y'all, I just realized STP. They don't have STP filter for the Chevy Impala. They only have the original one for from AC Delco. All right, but nonetheless, now say that a lot. It's a filter. There's that, and then I'm gonna get this injector real quick. Why not? And the links. Oh shit, I forgot about the links. Huh? So, what we doing right now? Take it out. Go get another one. Put it in. It's right there. It's a couple blocks away. So here we go. Yeah.
What happened to the oil you have it there?
I returned it. Changed it.
Oh, you changed it.
Because they said high mileage oil is bad. That's what they said. That's what somebody told me. So I'm gonna go with him.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna keep on using the regular one. No high mileage, no more. Oh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all. Call me. I already knew he was gonna do that. He was complaining about money over here.
Yeah, okay.
That's why I told him everything. I said, it's gonna cost you this, and we charge $100.
Starero.
Good morning.
¿Y qué? Pedito.
¿Qué es lo que hay?
It's the key.
Maño. Amaño. Uno de este tamaño.
Siempre tú lo cambias, yo aquí me contagio.
Te daña, te
Sí,
daña.
me da pico rápido.
Así de pasadito. Yeah. Yeah, ya viste que yo me voy también.
Wow. Come on, baby, settle down. New spark plugs. Settle down. A1 out here. Yeah, I know. We out. New spark plugs, new oil. Yeah. We don't need that now. I gotta still bend it. Don't do that yet.
Leave it there. That way it looks good.
They gotta settle down, man. They gotta settle down. You got brand new oil, new spark plugs, a new air filter, an oil filter. Whew. No rattle, which is always great. Great. Yeah, so that's done right there. That's done. Oh shit. Cool. I just wanted to show them before we mess it up, you know? Alright. This is our issue right here. It's not straight.
We take it.
We gotta make this straight. And that's our
I'm gonna
main
try
goal.
to put the pie over here and pull it out this
Look at that.
way. Make sure you know that everything's going
Yeah, you gotta pull it. Yeah, pull it from the back first and then move it in.
Right?
Because remember, this is the straight part. It
Yeah.
turned right here. This is where it turned.
Yeah.
So we gotta put something here as close as we can to this part to pull it, and then pull it, and then pull it, and that should go straight and then pull it down. So this is where we at, y'all. You know, showing you how much it takes to rebuild a car from the auto auction. You know, but it's my Impala. That's the truck. I'll be back. So, I'm gonna just show you more or less the damage, right? This is all the damage, and If you look at it, you know, basically the car got pushed about, I don't know, an inch or so. That's what it's offline. I'm not sure if somebody tried to fix this already, but this is our task right now. So we're just trying to straighten this out. This first. So real quick, New York City fire hydrant is our best friend at this point. We're gonna use that shit to bend this shit back.
Make it a little separate over there.
Farther back?
Yeah, a little more. That way we put the other chain over here. You got chain? You got the other chain in the bucket, in the bottom. You got chain. I put one over here and then they put the common on.
Yeah, I thought the comment was good enough. Oh yeah, another chain. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put the other chain over here.
All right. So it was my first time doing any body work. I did not know that fender was bent that way, but that is what it is. We're gonna use a wrench puller, so bend it back and see what happens. This is supposed to be my best friend, and let's see. Everything turns out right, man. $18 seconds. I got no more memory. It's crazy. See it though, y'all. Again,